cute.
So I love this thing.
What is that?
Everybody, it's a frozen rollerball massager. It's like $14 on Amazon.
All right.
That's one of the best parts.
Frozen ball massager. I can't wait.
Put this leg down.
Okay.
There you go. And I'm just gonna kind of scooch that over to the side a little bit. Okay, so let's bend this again on your own, just whatever's tolerable.
That'll be good.
Okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw this over the leg again. And so with this, and like if you were doing it or somebody else was doing it, basically, I mean, there's no right or wrong way to do it.
Away from the knee.
I tend to kind of move low to high with the idea that I'm moving fluid back toward the joint or back toward the heart, back into the system.
Especially with IT band.
Yeah, and that's, you know, the IT band is always a complaint. You know that there's no real danger. You find the sore spots, you kind of work through those sore spots. I would go straight up into like this outside hip, you know, bursitis is really common after a knee replacement on the opposite side usually.
No, I'm gonna have a problem over here.
Yeah. And so this is kind of a nice one. We could do it in this knee bent position because what it's doing is we get the knee into a bent position. Like this is nowhere near the range you have. But the brain says, okay, something's going on, like stop moving. But then this starts to desensitize that a little bit. Kind of lets the nervous system calm down, gives you some new sensations that you're not really used to. You're not sure, it's like, does it hurt? Does it feel good? It kind of feels like both of them. And then from there, we'll bring it in just a little bit more. That's it. That's it.
It's much more tolerable.
Yeah. And so I usually say, like, you know, if I was doing this at home, I'd do 2 or 3 minutes above the knee. And then I would spend a little bit of time below the knee, the outside of the lower leg, and then that calf muscle in the back. Are you able to lay on your stomach at all? Just for a couple minutes?
I haven't tried it.
Not because of the knee, just because of like low back or hip or anything
Yeah,
else.
Yeah, I can lay on my stomach.
Let's give that a shot. You can keep going. I'm going to set this over here.
I haven't tried it with the knee. I still can't turn over in a bed.
Let's give it a shot. I'm going to keep that pillowcase on
Okay.
and just go ahead, work your way over. I'll support kind of the leg a little bit.
Okay.
So laying on your stomach in bed on a couch starts to desensitize the knee because you've got that little bit of pressure on there.
Okay.
Obviously, it works on improving the extension.
Oh, okay.
The swelling in the back of the knee is a real common complaint.
Yes.
So what I'm going to do now is going to be cold.
That's okay. I was black and blue.
Yeah, you still have some bruising back
Yeah.
there.
That's where I was having the worst muscle spasms too, to be
Okay.
honest with you. Yeah, that doesn't bother me.
Good. So same thing, you know, I apply the pressure up. I usually say it's almost like you're creating a little bit of a vacuum. You're getting the fluid out of the knee, making room. Then when I come down here, I have room for that fluid to come up.
Okay.
I can still, you know, obviously you can't do this, but if you have somebody at home,
My physical therapist in training.
that's right.
Yeah, she really wants to do this. She's gonna help mom. I'll bring Kayla down.
She's my neighbor, by the way.
She's like 2 doors down.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, I definitely forgot to tell you that after last time.
And so, you know, there's nothing special to do above, right? I just kind of work through that tissue. When I come down here, now usually what I'll do to be nice is just kind of come under the ankle
Okay.
so that you don't feel like I'm pressing you down into major extension. I can put a little towel roll in here, a little pad, but I'm just giving a little support.
Okay. But you're rolling up.
Yeah, I'm
Towards
rolling
the knee.
toward the knee, up toward the heart. The idea is I already did this area,
Right.
now I'm doing this area.
Okay.
Because that lymphatic drainage is what we want to get moving back into the system.
Okay.
Kind of clean out all the junk.
So it's not gonna it's not gonna counteract everything that you've been trying to drain out of the knee area.
Not at all. Not at all, because this fluid has to get out too.
Okay. I haven't had any swelling that I can think of.
Yeah. And that pressure feels okay?
Yeah, luckily that part, spasms wise, oh my gosh, I think those were worse. That was the worst part of the knee thing.
Yeah.
Everything were the spasms. For me.
Right.
The pain was tolerable with Tylenol, but I'm telling you, I've still got tons of oxycodone.
Yeah.
I only take it to come here.
So this is what I want to do. I want to cross your feet. And we're going to use this one to help this one.
Okay.
Go ahead and bend it a couple of times. You don't have to bend it as far as you can. Just start bending it and then let it relax. Keep doing that and you can keep filming.
Push down. I want you to push back.
I hope he sends me these.
But I hate when they do what they do, then they just move on. Yeah, because Reese,
What does that feel like?
Okay. Except I can feel my kneecap in the other knee.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so this is just a non-stretchy strap. Now, this is my least favorite way to work on flexion. Okay? But it's just another way you can do it, kind of variety. I like variety. I like different angles and different approaches and keeping it interesting. So I put the strap around.
This is
I'm gonna have you go, this is a non-stretch strap. I go across the body.
Oh, okay.
And so you're just gonna use that hand, you're gonna pull, maybe a 3-second hold, and then you let it relax a little bit. So let's give it a shot. I'm gonna let you take over. You know, if you improve range of motion in this position, it improves in every other position. Because this is the hardest position to improve the range.
Really?
Yeah. Awesome. Because the hips fully extended, it's just awkward. And so keep working on that. While you are, I'm just going to get this IT band and lateral hamstring a little bit.
And I don't need to hold it, just.
Like 3-second hold at the top,
Oh, okay.
and then let it come back down.
Okay.
I'm just going to kind of come with you.
With that. At least like.
I'm at least touching the table.
Yeah.
I've just been so afraid of popping those stitches.
Yeah. At this point, everything is pretty
You
solid.
think so?
Absolutely. How many weeks is it? Like, are we in?
We are 2 days.
Yeah. Once we pass the 2-week threshold,
You're good?
yeah,
All right.
better.
Better. Thanks.
4 is good.
That's, yeah.
6 is like, you're golden. We're gonna do like 2 more.
It's just weird. That's just how we're wired, you know? Nothing we can do about it. No, no message about it. Tuesday, that's it.
All right. Then I want to get one more measurement. I'm gonna get you back on your back.
Okay.
So we started at 44. We got down to 43 and a half.
Okay.
Let's see where the swelling is now.
Okay. Yeah, we may be.
Woo!
What?
That's really good.
What'd you get to?
42 and a half right now.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Awesome.
I mean, that's, now the swelling will come back in an hour or two, but the idea is we got the range in the meantime.
Okay.
You know, so let's get one more like flexion measurement. Let that one down. I'll help you with this one.
Okay.
Bring it up first,
Okay.
then grab, and then let it bend.
Okay.
All right, thanks. Bye.
That ice feels really good.
Yeah, yeah. And then bring it up and then let it down again. So you just go like a couple inches up to get out of that discomfort and then let it go back into it. And then you go up, right there, and let it come back down. And I'll do a digital measurement. Can I get you like right in line? There you go. And then one more time, up and then down. And you're gonna use your muscles to kind of pull it down as far as you feel comfortable. Sweet.
Mhm.
All right, take a break. That's good.